Welcome to our weekly forecast session. In this session, we will analyze some major currencies pairs. We can see the trend is up, and market is making higher high and an higher low. See, the market currently is on resistance zone and trying to break this zone. We are expecting that the market will break this zone this week. As we can see, trend was up. But now market has changed its structure and making lower low and lower high. We can see market currently is on major support zone, but we are expecting down move because market has broken its ascending channel. Wait for proper breakout of support zone and retest. As you can see, D1 time frame trend was up. Now market is making a pattern, which is descending triangle pattern. But still we have here two scenarios. Wait for market to come on support zone, trade with bullish evidence, or wait for breakout retest of this pattern. This pair was in uptrend, but structured has changed, and now market is on downtrend. As we can see, market currently is below resistance zone. We are expecting down move continue. We can see here continues pattern in H4 time frame. Wait for proper breakout and retest. Currently market is on uptrend and making higher high and higher low. We can see here that the market is ranged within major support and resistance zone. We have here two scenarios. Wait for proper breakout and retest of this range.